What's up, guys? Welcome to Extreme Dog Drivers. We are always balling on a budget and wrenching in our garage. And guys, tell me what you think in the comments below of the garage. Check it out. We are almost fully finished with the garage. I mean, we're getting super close. I'm waiting for some stuff to come in the mail. But yeah, man, we almost have everything in here. I even got some overhead storage. I don't know if you can see it above the garage door there. We got some awesome lighting, which I have to fix these hanging wires here. But I'm gonna be doing a garage review video here in the near future. So if you have a garage, if you hope to have a garage, if you dream of having a garage like I did at one point, maybe some of these things will work for you. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a review on a lot of the stuff that I use and include links. So if you wanna purchase it, you can go right ahead and click below. But anyway, we're actually gonna work on the XB in this video. I've gotten a lot of requests of people asking me, dude, where are the XB videos? And the XB is the future of the channel for right now, man. Prelude's pretty much finished. We still got a lot of little stupid things we gotta fix on that. But the XB needs a lot of love. So I'll be honest with you, I didn't know exactly where to start with the XB content. However, I've had an item for a long time, several months now. Actually got it for Christmas from my in-laws, and it's something that I've wanted since the day that I picked this car up, which was 3 years ago. And today we're gonna install it. And what is it? It's this ominous white box that's taking up a ton of room in the garage. This guy's getting installed today. Look at this, minimum 2-person lift. Are you freaking kidding me? It's like 40 pounds. So check it out, guys. It's a rear sway bar for the Scion XB. All right, guys, I got this thing unwrapped. This is the ST Suspensions rear sway bar for the 2004 to 2006 Scion XB. It also will fit a Scion XA. Again, there's your part number if you want to search on it, make things easier for yourself. It does come with some instructions, which are pretty decent on how this thing is going to get installed. But you know, Extreme Dog Drivers, we're giving you videos, man. Forget about photos. If you guys can't tell on camera, this is like a really dark gray, really well made. Welds look excellent on this thing, but hardware is really nice too. So these are the pieces that are actually going to go into the rear, I guess, trailing arms on this car. I guess that's what you call it. And some nice hardware. I wonder if this stuff will rust over time, seeing that every time I use anything that's black like this, it just seems to rust super easy. But that's an easy enough size to find in stainless, so I'm not all that worried about it. But yeah, man, this is what you get. So let's go ahead and jack up the rear of the XB and get this thing installed. All right, guys, we got the box on, jack stands, but if you're anything like me, you can never be too careful. So yeah, we got jacks on either side at the jacking points, just in case this thing wants to give away for whatever reason. You know, gravity can be that way sometimes. So the really cool thing about this installation is you don't need to remove wheels or tires. You just have to jack up the rear of your car. And heck, if you were skinny enough, you wouldn't even have to do this. All right, so now that we're under the car, essentially what we're gonna do is slide this guy up in the rear trailing arm like so, and then put the bolt through the rear sway bar and then into the corresponding holes. There is a front and rear. This is the front, that's the rear. All right, so believe it or not, I was able to do that. It wasn't that hard. These are just hand tight. You don't want to tighten these all the way down right now, because if you do, you'll never be able to do the passenger side. All right, took a little wrestling, but we got it. Now it's time to crank these things down. All right, guys, got them all tight, looking good. Bar goes wrapped around. There it goes on that side. So now it's time for a test drive. Alright guys, we are out here on a small test drive, and I'm telling you, I could already feel the difference. And the car just feels so much more planted on the road. It feels like a whole nother car. It really is one of the best upgrades you could do for your XB. A beautiful day here in Florida, and check this guy out, man. He's got like an old school Kawasaki or something like that looks like he made like a drag bike or a cafe racer. I want to see this thing as he goes. Very cool. Yeah, definitely a cafe racer. Nice and flat in the turns, man. Feels amazing. So much better. So it's really a busy day here where I live. There are a lot of cars on the road, so it's really hard for me to push this thing. But I'm telling you, man, what a change. What an absolute change. I cannot wait to do the suspension on this car. It's so blown out, it's so worn out. I can't wait to replace it. It's gonna be such a game changer, man. This thing's gonna handle so much better than it does. So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. If you like this video, if you like Scion XB content, if you wanna see more of it, make sure that you like this video and subscribe down below. There's gonna be a lot more XB stuff coming. I'm gonna start doing an XB video once a week. So I haven't picked the day that it's gonna happen yet, but we're gonna have an XB day devoted every single week. That's how much work I have to do to this car. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next week. Later.